Hello guys, a quick update about lightning detector. Even though it seems to be working, I have decided to momentarily stop fiddling around with it because the point is, and I know this from previous experience, I need a battery for it. So as long as you power it from the mains, no matter how good the power supply is, you're going to get all sort of spikes from the electrical network, and that just doesn't work. I mean, it's perfectly fine for detecting radio pulses from discharges and lightnings and sparks and all that, but it also detects a whole lot of non-radio spikes that come only through the power wiring of the building, the city, the neighborhood. I'm not even sure, because sometimes it goes crazy, then it's obviously in times like this when there's no cloud in the sky and it just goes beep 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 beep, and that's obviously not right. Yeah, so as far as I know, I knew this from the very beginning, but the fact that this power supply works so well, a few years ago when I first built it, I tried a similar power supply, just switching my power supply like any other power brick out there, and it would just go crazy. I mean, there was no way it was gonna work with that, and it kind of made me want to try with this one just to see if it works. And in the end, it's not the best thing. You need to be completely isolated from any kind of wiring in the building. I don't have a battery right now. I had a couple of 12 volt 7 amps, but I had to use them for the UPS here, and there's no way I'm removing those because I had my PC fried like a couple of months after I bought it, and that has to stay there. So for the moment, I'm just gonna leave it here and obviously put the cover on. Yesterday actually I left it like this, and there was a sudden rain settling in, and it got soaking wet. Yeah, it doesn't matter, it wasn't powered on, thankfully. So yeah, I'm gonna have to let this go for a few days now. Hopefully I'll get a battery in a few days. I don't know when. I'm not even sure. I think I'll I was thinking about measuring the current, but I know this thing, I think I measured it a few days ago. It was like 7 milliamps or 10 milliamps or something like that. It's really low, but even so, I would like to get as big battery as I can, because yeah, I just don't want to recharge it every day. If I get a 12 volt 7 amps from 4A UPS, I think that will be pretty good. 7 amps, if it takes 7 milliamps, that would be, I don't know, 1,000 hours. Yeah, that would be 1,000 hours on the battery. So yeah, that's what's going on. Not good, not with the power supply. Always use a battery for this kind of circuit. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. It's Sunday, it's time to relax. Bye bye.